Exactly.
They don't know how to walk.
Yes, sir, they are going in a very
Where have you
bad way.
seen this?
Yes, sir, I
In government school, students don't know how to walk.
सर वो मैं कल फाल भूल गया.
No problem, no problem. They are money making industry.
There are lots of schools in villages, but government school, not private school.
It also happen in private schools. It also happen in private schools, like you mentioned it, not working
System will not
properly in the
make you-
mobile
system
phone.
will
So
not-
can I say
system
that this
will
is the
not-
fault of mobile phone?
Children are not getting education in the government school. Why are they taking admission in the private school?
If I talk about government school,
are taking
the
money.
teacher
What
teach
are teaching
anything,
you?
they have no
That's
experience.
the effective
They are
quality of
well
education.
educated, they are
Government schools
graduated
are not
person.
giving.
And the topic of group conversation is private schools versus government schools. Private schools versus government schools. So this is English conversation class. As you all know that in conversation class, we always practice English speaking to boost our confidence, to develop our confidence. And English speaking and standard English speaking is the desire of every English learner. So to practice English conversation and to develop our confidence, today we are going to have group conversation. We have divided our class into two groups, girls and boys. So the group conversation topic is private schools versus government schools. So the boys are going to favor government schools and girls will be favoring private schools, that private schools are better than government schools, and boys will be favoring government schools are better than private schools. So are you ready?
Yes.
All are ready? Now there must be energy, because without energy, English conversation, without energy, without thrill, you are not supposed to improve your English conversation skill. So for all of you, I would suggest all of you to feel energized and participate actively in this group conversation. Fine?
Yes.
Let's get started. So we are going to start the proceedings. So who is going to start the proceedings from girl side? Aisha. Aisha, you may stand up. Here is the mic.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Aisha and it is my pleasure to speak about private school sectors. So let's start it. Private school give the students good education. Like if student get education freely and students have a good bonding with teachers and they can easily understand the teachers thinking what they want to teach them. And the paper, if we, the paper system is also a good for them.
Exam system,
Exam
not
system.
exam system, assessment system.
The exam system is
Exam
also
criteria.
the exam criteria is also good for the student. They can't cheat.
Exam criteria is challenging for the students in private schools.
Exam criteria is challenging the student for they can show their capability, how they can learn and what they study in whole here. So in government private school sector give the confidence to student to speak about anywhere, and they prepared student for university for another things. So a student can start their career from basic career. They can start it from private schools and they can freely get education.
All right, you can pass this mic to any other student. Savera, you may stand up.
Yes.
And Shabash.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum everybody. My name is Savera in front of you, and today I am very pleasure to be here on this topic, the private school versus the government schools. And today I am staying in the favor of private school. So let's get started. The private schools it's the best than government school, because private schools student
schools are better than government schools.
private schools are better than government school, because private school students, they have a capability to boost their confidence and they know how to talk to someone. They have a proper syllabus, they have a proper manner to how to learn our whole year. They have experience, teacher have experience that how to guide them, and our student will appear in exam very well, so they know that how to learn in schools, because in government schools they are not able to talk with someone. Their behaviors and their postures and gestures are not good with our elders, with our professional persons. So this is all about me.
Okay, who is going to respond from both sides? Anyone? Yes.
Hello friends, my name is Rauf Khan. So today I feel honored to speak about most debatable topic, private school and government school. So let's get started. Basically, if I talk about the government school, so in government school we can know the situation of reality. We can know the situation of reality because if I talk about the government school teacher, they are capable to teach, and they are capable to teach, and their student also have facility because some person haven't got money to buy the course, shoes, dresses. Government provide free of course, shoes and dresses. And if we talk about the government school, so government school also make our future bright because private school is only source of earning money.
Yes.
There are lots of private school, they are only just for open earning money. Government school open freely and in village. You can't see the any private school in village. There are a lot of school in villages, but government school, not private school.
Any one of you would like to respond that private schools are the source of earning money? They are money making industry.
Yes, I
You can respond. Yes.
No, private schools are not making money making industries because they take money from student, but they provide the good education system. They
facilities.
they provide facilities, they provide the air conditioner rooms, they provide the proper structure, they provide the good Oxford courses to students. Infrastructure and the private schools infrastructure is good than the government school. Government schools as a big place, but they have not a capable to learn, to study, to guide them their student. So this is not a making money industry.
So as you mentioned, that not a source of earning money. So if I talk about the private school, their teachers are not capable to teach. If you want to become government teacher, so firstly you should complete your PhD, masters. Then you pass your
They
CS.
have a degree. They have a
CSS
degree,
exam.
but they are not capable to teach them.
Firstly, you should listen me. Then
Yes.
you may tell that. If I talk about the teachers,
Yes.
you want to become a government teacher. So firstly, you should complete your PhD. Then you should pass the exam of CSS.
Yes.
Then you become. But if I talk about private school teacher,
Yes.
so you can become easily if after you pass your matric class,
Yes.
then you can become easily private school teacher.
No. Firstly, they have a experience from a private school. Firstly, they appeared in a private school as a job, as a local job.
Their teaching career.
Career from-
They start teaching career.
They start teaching the career from a private school. When they have experience, then they appeared in a PhD and JST tests. When they pass exams in PhD and JST, then they have a job in government, but they have a degree. Sometimes teachers have a sometimes the teacher buy degree, but they have no focus on study. They have no proper instruction that how will provide education to students.
All right. Pass this marks to.
It means that quality of education are not good in private school because you said that you can start your teaching experience in private school. So it means that there are no good quality of education in private school. So
There is not
there
good
is
quality of
of
there
edu-
is not.
there is not good quality of education. So what is this? If I talk about government school, you have private school, you have air conditioner room, but you have not quality of education. So what would you do in air conditioner room?
First of all, I want to tell you who said to you that there is no good quality in private schools. They give you a proper manner how to speak in front of your parent. Do you know about the government school? Do you know about the government student? They are illiterate. They don't know how to speak in front of their parent. They are just showing their tantrum to their parent just because they don't know how to speak in front of their elder. They are just totally illiterate people. And if I talk about the private school, they first of all they make your personality like a manners-able and manners-able person. Then you are able to sit in front of your pupil as a educated person.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad Han and I am excited to talk about government school and private school. So if you are talking about the ethics, so ethics come from your home. It's not come from your school.
But sometimes
That was information. If you are talking about ethics, So ethics in the private school, why harassment cases happen in private schools? Why?
Why harassment takes place in private institutions?
It also in government school
So
as
it
well.
also
You
happen in
said
private
that
schools.
It only
It also happen
especially
in private schools. Like you
schools.
mentioned that ethics, government schools student has no ethics. So why harassment cases also
Government
happen
school
in
people
private
don't
schools?
know how to speak in front of the pupil.
Or-
They are misbehaving us.
As your partner said that Oxford course. So in Oxford course, course doesn't.
First of all, the education system are not good in government
I would
school.
like to respond. Hand over the mic to.
As you said, that ethics come from your home. So government teacher has no ethics to talk to students. They have no ethics. They talk to students badly. How can you
So
say
because
that?
of the one or few teachers,
No,
we
no.
cannot
How
verify
can you
full
say the
system.
whole staff is teaching to student, treating the student badly, and they can't talk to easily to the teacher? That teacher will scold me. Teacher will say another things to me. So they feel fair and they don't ask to anything to them.
I want to correct you. You have misconception.
No.
Government
No.
has
It
and
means you did
other
not-
institute to act upon on the teachers who are not teaching students well and who are their behaviors are not good. You are wrong.
I am not wrong. Actually,
You
you,
are
did
wrong.
not
You are not
visit
getting my
government
point.
school.
What am I
Actually, you
saying?
did not visit government sectors.
I am also a student of a government
So
school.
you should know. You should know as a teachers, and they students are also telling this thing that teachers are the behavior of teacher is not good for students. They treat them badly. So how can you say that we can
In government
in government school?
Do you have a
and
do you have
private
experience?
school? Yeah, I am learning in government school, but I am not satisfied with it.
So it can be the fault of a system because of the one system. Like I have example, if one app is not
System
working
will not
properly in the
make you-
mobile
system
phone,
will
so
not-
can I say
system
that this
will
is the
not-
fault of mobile phone?
System will not teach you ethics. Ethics come as you
System
said.
not teach you ethics. Your parents teach you your
As
ethics.
you said that ethics come from your home, so it means you have no ethics. So how can you teach to student ethics?
Focus on their study. And if I talk about the exam of private school, in private school we can't cheat. And in private school there is a strict system that we can't cheat, and there is a test in a monthly. And if I talk about the government school, there is a cheating system, that teacher is not saying to the student that don't cheat us, and teacher are not focusing on them.
Assalamu alaikum to all. My name is Momin Hamzat. I am favoring government schools. So let's begin. So according to my perspective, government schools are better than
In
private.
my opinion, not
in my
according to me, in my opinion.
in my opinion, government schools are better than private school. As you said that in private school, student doesn't cheat in their exams. So why do the majorities of people cheat in their board exam? Either they belong from the private school or government school. So why it happens?
It's a fault of a people if they are sincere to their goals, to their studies, so they can, and if they will not cheat if the person is not sincere with their goals, with their exam, with their money,
Future.
with their future, how their father giving the fees to school. If they know and if they have the, what can we say, that if they very sincere with their goals and with their goals and life, so they will not cheat.
So listen to me. According to my perspective, we don't need to learn from the private schools. We have the government schools, and there are so many colleges. We can learn from the government school, and we don't need to pay the fee, monthly fees. So why do the majority
But
of
in
people
government school
get-
there is no manners. There is no manners. And in
How-
private school there is a manners.
How can you-
Discipline.
There is a
How can you
discipline.
say that there is a manner? No, I didn't see it because I also complete my matriculation from the private school, but it doesn't happen in my life. How can you say that like
But
discipline?
it's happening in my school. There is like manners. There is a discipline. And
So-
if I see the government school student, they have no manners. They have no ethics. They don't know that how to walk.
So listen to me. As you said,
They don't know how to walk.
Yes, sir. They are walking in a very
Where have
bad
you
way.
seen this?
Yes, sir.
Government schools, Students don't know how to walk. What is
They
this?
are walking in a very bad
Listen to me.
No, he said listen to me. No, listen to him. Listen to him. Listen.
So according to me, like there are so many people who has gotten success by the help of government school. They don't know, they didn't know like how to get knowledge from the private schools. They just believe on the government system because it is made by the our country, and they don't believe on the other things which is made by the other countries. Like if I talk about the co-education, it is made by the other countries. It is not made by the other countries. This is a main issue in our country.
Yes, Anush. Yes.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is me Anush and today I want to talk about private school versus government. As you are supporting to the government school, so I am in the favor of the private school. If you are saying that government school is good, government school is better than private school. If the government school better, so why government schools teachers children are not getting education in the government school? Why are they taking admission in the private school?
As you said that
Yes.
why their children are not getting education from
Yes.
the government school.
Yes.
Because they don't believe on the government school because they know that they are
One thing, and let
they are
me
mad.
let me tell you one thing, that private school is better because private school is taking money because they are paying to the students and teachers as well as student confidence are building up, and government school are lowering the confidence of the student.
How can you say that? Like we can't get it.
If you can imagine and you can see the difference shared between the government school versus a private school.
For example, if
Mike, thank you. Next. Yes.
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Talha and I will be presenting a strong case against the private school. So firstly, I support government school because in private school there is no awareness there because they want just money. And if I talk about, listen me, if I talk, they are making industry money, and if the student doesn't have money to pay the fees, they don't want to student in the class. They get out from the class. If I talk about government school, they give.
Let me tell you one thing.
They don't.
Government school teachers are taking they are taking not money, but they are taking high of paying money from the paying their sir. What do we say? Salary. They are taking a lot much salary than the private. But private school teachers are taking
The teacher
less
also
money, but
taking
they are
salary.
taking high.
The
In
teacher
the
also-
starting,
listen,
in the starting, let me tell you one
the
thing.
teacher also
In the
taking-
starting, we don't
teacher
need
also
the-
taking
in the
salary,
starting, we
but they
need
don't
the
teach a well
study.
manner.
We need a
If I talk
confidence,
about-
and
listen.
private school building the confidence. That's why
That don't-
private school are better
No,
than the government
listen,
school.
listen. The teacher are not providing a better education just because of they take money. They take a lot of money. But if I talk about they
You are
don't have
thinking that
experience. They don't have experience.
You
If I
are
talk
thinking
about
that
government
private
school,
school are
the
taking money,
teacher
but they
teach
are teaching
anything.
you
They have no
extra
experience.
effective
They are
quality of
well
education.
educated. They are
Government school
graduated.
are not
person.
giving.
In private
Keep it
school,
in your
listen
mind.
me. In private school, there are a lot of teachers who just in private school there are a lot of teachers who just passing an intermediate and they
Yes.
started teaching. If I talk about government, they
Yeah,
also are graduate, they also are master, they also doing master and they teach us.
But are they teaching the well-educated? No. Are they teaching well-educated? They are touching the student. They are roasting the student.
How do you
But-
say that? How do you say
Yeah,
they are teaching us? How
I
do
can
you
tell
have
you.
a proof? Do you have a
Yeah.
proof? Yes, they are saying who said that?
I'm the government teacher. I don't know what
Sir, in a lot of schools, government teachers are just taking roasting the student. But
How
they
do
are
you say
not.
that? How do you say that? It's a creativity. It's a creativity to engage
No,
the
it's
student.
not
If you
art.
say that.
But private school teaching the art of teaching how to carry the student, and they are building. They are all the effective education they are providing the private school, not the government. Is keep
If
it
I
in
talk
your
about
mind.
government education, government school provide the facilities to students. Government school provide the facility to student. How do you face the real problem in your life?
But if I talk about the government is private schools, a private student or private school of a students has a confidence in. If I talk about a government school, they have a student. They have a no confidence. They
It
don't
depends
know
on a
how to
person.
talk.
They don't about.
They don't know.
It
They
doesn't.
don't know in front of talk in voice. They don't know because if I talk about the private school students, they are habitual to study with boys and they know how to talk with boys. They know how to talk with in front of people. But if I talk about the government school, they don't
It's
know.
not.
how,
It's not
because they
depend
have
on
no
a.
confidence
It's a
in
public
private
speaking
school, they have
skill. If
confidence.
person have a skill, so they can talk in everywhere. It's not. It's not a fault of a government school.
No, it is the fault of government school because if government school of a student has no confidence and private school is more and
You
more.
take just 1 point confident. What is
Because-
confident? It's depend on a person.
No, it depends on a person. If we
Yes, it's depend on the person. You already said it.
it depends upon not a person.
That's my point. My point is also that it depends on the person.
But in government school we can't take action for ourselves. Like he is a not good teacher. She is not a good teacher. But
In government school, so do you take the action in private school? Can you take the action in private school?
Yeah, we can
How?
say principal. He is not.
So
a
there is
good
no
teacher,
principal
can
in
change my
government school.
teacher.
There is no.
Because we are paying money, we can say he is not a good teacher. Can you change my teacher?
Can you change it? It's not a valid point. You are saying that it's not a good teacher. It also depends on if you want to change a government teacher. So kindly write the application
No,
and make an
no,
action.
They are not accepting our application.
Why? How do you say that it's not accepting your application?
We say
About the quality of education. Where do we have quality of education in government schools or in private schools? Let's
If I
discuss
talk
that.
about your
Mr. Ahmed.
I want to tell something. I want to tell something from government school. I am a government pass school, and I showed that we all are government pass school because government degree is a valuable degree in every province in every country. That's why people take admission in government school, and the quality of education is more better than private school.
but we all are private. We all are government colleges and schools. But there is a English subject. Why do we come here for learning English? We can learn here in colleges and schools.
I have an answer. Because we want to sir,
We want to be professional.
we want to be professional in we want to be professional speaker. That's why we are coming here.
So why do we not make their
This is not in our curriculum. That's why we are learning from here.
Okay, hand over mic to Aisha. Anybody would like to respond?
Okay. As you told me that they have a degree and government
We are not
degree.
enjoying this group discussion. There is no energy. There must be energy.
Government degree have a
There must be
value,
some
but
aggression.
degree is a piece of paper. How can we say the degree is but if you have a talent, you can focus the students, you can teach the public of student, the majority of the student. So we have a talent. The degree is a piece of paper. I can buy the degree because
So you are corrupted. You are corrupted. You are corrupted.
Yes. No, degree is a
From
piece
where
of paper. If you have no talent,
from where
how
you can
you
get
say?
job. From where you can get job.
Some people have a degree, but they have no talent. They have no talent. They can't.
Some people
teach the
there
students.
were some people.
Some people, the majority of the people, they are
No.
jobless because they have
You-
no talent.
Now you are wrong.
They don't know
This statement
how
is
will
wrong.
appear in the
You
test.
have to take knowledge from Google or from anywhere. You are
And
wrong
I
here.
have a one. I have one.
Mr. Maz. Yes, Maz is said up. Maz is going to respond. Mr. Maz is going
Yes,
to
Maz.
respond. Aggression is missing. Boys and girls.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me Madan Ansari. Today I feel honored to be here to speak government school. So according to me, in government school everyone can get education easily, whether poor or rich. But if we talk about private school, so we poor people don't think that I can get education from private school.
They can't afford
They
private.
can't afford private school.
But in private school,
but in government schools there is a machi market, fish market. What about
So
there is no test fish market. Yeah, in Khurshid Begum, in colleges there fish market, sir.
So it is the reason that everyone want to get education from government school.
no,
It is
they
the
just
reason.
take the admission from government school. They will not appear in classes.